Good morning on a Wednesday. So July 4th, I went over to the parents' house. I'll show you pictures here whenever I'm through with work about what I ate. But of course I didn't post a vlog yesterday because it's July 4th. But guys, I'm getting on the scale and it's just not fun what I'm seeing. But this happened to me before. But I'm also wondering, did that darn Whataburger sauce mess me up? So I'm having to buckle down. Here's my problem. I cannot do the fasting thing for like a 24-hour period. My body hates that. It shuts down and like something like it wants to store the fat instead of eat it for me. So I'm gonna try and do more of like an OMAD situation, zero snacking. And I haven't been showing snacks, but I don't really eat snacks, but occasionally I'll go in the pantry and like grab a couple, and this is like maybe once a day. I'll only do this once. Grab a couple of those keto chocolate chip cookie dough things, thinking it was cookie dough, but it was actually nuts. But they're so good and very addictive, so I'm not gonna be buying those anymore. Plus they were $8 a bag, so no. So I'm gonna cut that out too. But the other thing is, I'm still hungry and I should be fat adapted by now. So what did I eat that's getting me out of whack? And the only thing that I can think of is that darn soybean oil sauce. C'est la vie. But I will get to the pictures whenever I'm through with my work and then show you what I'm eating today. Also, the scale is the devil. I hate it. Going into what I ate yesterday, the only thing that I ate was whatever I had over there at the parents' house. It was just the parents and I. So my dad cooked hot dogs outside. So there was a little bit of barbecue sauce on there, but that was fine. So I had 2 hot dogs and then my bacon cheeseburger dip, which was so good. I put a little bit of ketchup on there because I liked a little bit of the sweetness with the salt anyway. I had that, and then I even went back and got more dip. So there was like fat on fat. Then I went and got some of my vanilla pound cake, had a little bit of whipped cream and fresh strawberries. It was so good, but I had 2 pieces on the plate, but I just, for some reason in my brain, I was like, don't have too many dessert replacement sweets or whatever, because I've been struggling this week. So I had that in my head. So I only ate a piece and a half, and that was all I ate for the day. But you know what I need to do? Let me just check. Give me one moment. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. Y'all are just gonna have to wait until Friday's little episode. Well, that was fun. Oh, and seeing my ring here. Okay, so I was kind of able to wear this like a month and a half, 2 months ago, but I really had to push it on there. And look, while I was sitting there working and I was typing, it was just, it was just flopping around. That's a good sign. I feel a little bit better. I think I'm gonna have another salad with the dirty keto because there's bad oils. With the dirty keto chicken because there's bad oils in there, but I still have some in there. I think I do. If I don't, I'll figure something out. So I am getting a little bit hungry, which I really shouldn't be at this point. I should be fat adapted by now, but I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Probably the soybean oil. So I'm gonna go ahead, it's 10:30 right now, but since I wanted to kind of do the OMAD thing, I wanna wait a little bit. So I'm gonna get a little bit of fat in just to speed up the process. So I'm gonna have a little bit of the salted caramel stuff. Although the toasted coconut, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna have one of those with some heavy whipping cream. By the way, y'all, I do have these. I don't really use them as much because now I'm using the tea, but they do have sucralose in them. So just letting you know, but I swear someone said that they have like a complete, like maybe monk fruit or something one, which is good because sucralose will spike blood sugar for some people. It doesn't me, thankfully. But anyway, that's just a little tip there if you want some sugar-free stuff. Instead of those sugar-free International Delight or Coffee Mate or whichever ones that y'all normally do, which are very bad because they have vegetable oil. Look at the back of those things. They're horrible. Anyway, y'all know what I really like about these milk frother things that, they're self-cleaning. So when you just put it in the water, they clean themselves. Fantastic. By the way, how was y'all's 4th of July? Was it any good? What'd y'all do? What'd y'all eat? Let me know. Y'all, I am hungry. It's 12:35, so I'm just gonna eat. Don't y'all love my new bowl, my new salad bowl? Okay, it comes in like several different sizes. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I'll put a link below if y'all are even interested, whatever. Anyway, so I'm gonna make the salad that I made before, which is dirty keto. Oh my God, look at that, it's so pretty. Anyway, it's dirty keto because I'm gonna be using, see, I still have some left of this. It's dirty keto because it's cooked in vegetable oil. How much vegetable oil? I don't know. I'm just kind of putting it in the dirty keto category just for that reason, but to each their own, right? And I'm doing like 2 servings of this because once again, I'm doing the OMAD thing. But anyway, have y'all noticed that you eat more eggs when you're on keto? I can't even tell you whenever I bought eggs, like ever, unless I was on keto. Speaking of eggs, I don't have any hard-boiled eggs. So then I was like, wait a minute, Jason's Deli, which by the way, I'm kind of wondering, is the Jason's Deli salad giving me a little bit of these weight loss issue things? Anyway, I didn't have any hard-boiled eggs, so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna use the cracked egg, kind of like they do. Now I did 2 of them because I was like, you know, I need to make this salad big, but looking at this, it's probably way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. And then, do y'all remember Bacos? Well, before I was doing this keto journey again, I was like, you know, you can't find Bacos anywhere anymore. So I found some at H-E-B, but they're called Bacon Bites. And I was just like, I still had them in my pantry, so I pulled them out and was like looking at the ingredients. And it's like vegetable protein, soy flour, caramel color, natural flavors. I was like, gross. Gonna try my jalapeno. Okay, I'm answering phones, y'all. I gotta get that. I'll be right back. Started to cut up my chicken once it came back, and then I was like, forgot to tell you. Okay, so this jalapeno stuff, which by the way, it's just avocado oil. I'm sure you saw it in the other thing. I can't even see where. See, it's just avocado oil and good ingredients. So, you know, the Jason's Deli jalapeno ranch that I was just like goo goo gaga over, but it's soybean oil. Avocado oil ranch, avocado oil jalapeno sauce. Marry the 2, let's see how it works. I'll let you know. Gonna add some mushrooms. Gonna add some avocado. I've had this in my fridge for like a month. Normally put holy guacamole packets in here. I don't want to regret this decision. Gotta make it pretty. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Oh crap. I'm not even measuring this. Let's just try. I'm in heaven. Okay, I'm gonna eat. So I bet you're asking, how am I doing on not spending any money? Okay, so I spent 99 cents on a game I play on my phone, but that was 99 cents and that was it. That's a slippery slope though, but I'm doing good other than that. As you see, my last purchase came in. If you want to be bad like me, I'll put a link below to the PJ set. I will tell you that my sort of fat mentality is still in there, and I wanted it to fit so bad, so I just stuck with like my somewhat normal size of a 2X. I'm kind of glad that I did, just because you kind of want a little bit of extra roominess, and you know, you don't want a super snug pajama set. But I absolutely could have gone for a size large and been just fine. So there's that. Also, I probably won't be doing a vlog tomorrow. I might do like an every other day daily vlog. It gets to be too much. But Friday, I will have a good update because of something I found out earlier. Anyway, if you're new here and you're wanting to see the very beginning of this journey, it was a few weeks ago. I'll put the playlist up here. And if you're not new, I'll put an oldie but goodie right here. Anyway, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.